Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install Crunchyroll on your TCL Android TV. So if you want to install the Crunchyroll, you can go to the top apps and open your Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, you can go to the top right corner and search for Crunchyroll right here. And right here it will appear. You can simply click on install. And it will start to download it first, and after that it will start to install. So now the Crunchyroll app has been installed. I can simply click on open to open it. And now I can simply use the Crunchyroll application on my TCL Android TV. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.